Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It's Monday, April 17th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil has now had a contract rollover to the June contracts. And we had this inside daily candle here with the high at 53.80 and the low at 53.24. Adjusted for the June contracts. And again, an inside candle is when the high and the low are within the range of the previous candles high and low. We closed on a bear break. The low was 53.24. We closed at 53.22. So a bear close, a bear break on it by 2 pennies here. So the next supports we're going to look at is obviously for tomorrow. We're going to be looking at the low of today at 53.02. Also, look at the support before 53.02. If we break below the 53.14 line here and close below 53.14 tomorrow, that's going to confirm that this is indeed a bear break of the inside candle. So look for a break of the low of today, 53.02, and confirmation if we close below 53.14 for further consolidation after a big bounce up in oil. And pullback would be healthy right now. So we're going to look for potentially a back test of this 8 EMA. So on this bull move here, you can see we've already had one back test of the 8 EMA on this TCG bull cross with a 4 EMA green line crossed above the 8 EMA here. The 20 EMA is curling up. So the first back test was successful. Look for potentially another back test here on the daily chart here at the 8 EMA, which is currently at 53.22. No, I'm sorry, not 53.22. Currently at 52.79. With the on the adjusted for June charts. And on the hourly, we had this downtrend line that we broke bull from here early on in the day, but I was a little weary, and the reason why was because you could see on the hourly we've been on these pullbacks, we've been setting a high, a low, lower high, lower low, and so on this breakout I was really wanting a confirmation above to break a higher high, and you can see the high here was 53.64, I believe, and we got 1 penny below it and started pulling back again. So that's why I was a little wary, and you can see that we've now set a lower low again. So we need to break this pattern on the hourly. Look for a break above the high currently now at 53.63 to form a higher high here, and on any pullback to form a higher low below, above 53.02. So we need to change this pattern first to continue bullish on oil. Until then, we're going to continue to consolidate. So again, wait for a higher high on the hourly to break to signal potentially that consolidation after a big move up on the daily is done, and we'll continue up on the oil chart. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.